Let's call it quits and see what the future holds. Been here before, yeah, but just went down this road. A long time to feel young, short time to get old. I was holding on to something knowing you would just let me go. Yeah, I was holding on to something knowing you would just let me go. I love it when I get high, hate it when it gets cold. Indiscretion is a blessing if you know how the truth is told. But I don't feel my life is real. I'm on the fence with common sense. The tendency of time is to never understand it. The lesson of my life is to never comprehend it. No matter how much you spend trying to plan it, or maybe on my deathbed I finally get an answer. Yeah, maybe on my deathbed I finally get an answer. Or tell me why it's always been this way. Indiscretion is a blessing if you know what you wanna say. But I don't feel my life is real. I'm on the fence with common sense. Won't you enlighten me? Won't you just set me free? Let's call it quits and see what the future holds. Been here before, you but just went down this road. A long time to feel young, short time to get old. I was holding on to something knowing you would just let me go. But I don't feel my